That's where you messed up.
Yes.
Bro, this place is creepy, fam. Your girl likes the scary stuff, eh?
Bro, that's how she gets around these times. Like, Halloween,
Yeah.
real serious.
Whose cabin is this anyway?
Bro, I don't know. She actually handles all of that. I never seen the owner's name on the
Yes.
agreement.
I don't want to judge, but the fact that
Judge.
y'all think that this is okay leads me to believe y'all have no brain cells.
What the hell is this guy?
Nevs. Where's Nevs?
Where are you?
Nevs. Nevs.
Man, we should have taken ourselves back inside here.
How would he come out here by himself?
Please, where the
Hell is this
No,
guy?
Nav.
Bro, like, how would he come out here? What the hell is wrong with you? Bro, what the hell is wrong with you, bro?
Bro, why you
Let's play
playing,
too
bro?
much, man.
Stop doing that.
We're out here to find Nevs or what?
Yo,
Honestly, bro.
Damn, bro.
I'm trying to have a little bit of fun. Damn, what's
Way
wrong
too
with
many.
you?
Whatever, I'm good.
You guys good?
Bro, what the fuck is that?
What the hell?
Bro, that's a dead body, bro. Shit. Yo, this is why I don't do this freaky cabin shit.
Bro,
This is why we should have left. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, what if it's Nev's fam? What if that's Nev's?
That's not Nevs. Nevs probably knee deep in some pussy right now.
Bro,
Because he's not that big.
Bro, listen.
Listen to
Let's
Chris.
just head back to the cabin. We're not gonna.
Dead bodies in the woods. I mean, nothing can go wrong right there, right? It's a good sign. We should just chill, stay, drink, party up like we planned to. Yeah, right.
Can tell them.
I'm
We're not
packing,
gonna tell them.
I'm packing my shit.
Why wouldn't we tell them? The flickering lights. You know what time it is. Everybody about to have a good night's sleep. Forever. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not looking under that bed. I ain't looking under it.
Who's there?
Death.
Is that? Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Man, this is where y'all losing me, man. Why we opening doors? And looking under beds? Where we felt something touch us, bro.
You'll be alright, baby.
Yeah, except everyone's afraid and they're not having fun. Maybe we should go talk to them.
Yeah, we can talk to them. Okay. Alright, let's go. Alright?
I don't know what you're gonna say. Ain't nothing gonna convince me.
Guys, wake up. Wake up. I want you guys to come downstairs.
This place is creepy. Let's leave.
Sis, you agreed to come
I
here, so
agree.
just chill and come downstairs.
Reef, just leave your mother alone. Make she sleep. Go have fun without me.
Mom, come on. Let's go. Let's go downstairs. Come on, get up. Guys, wake up. Wake up. Cyan, get up. I need you guys to come downstairs. I got something
Just took
important
off
to
my makeup. What do you want?
come. I have a surprise for you. Just come downstairs.
Surprise, nigga, it's sleep time. Surprise me with a peaceful, botherless night.
Come on,
Don't
bro.
talk to me, demon child. Come downstairs anyway, because this room is boring.
Just come downstairs, bro.
These
Bro,
rooms
come downstairs.
are creepy, bro. Just because of how small they are, like,
Downstairs. Let's
you
go.
know how this goes, man.
Let's go.
There's no escape. That's how I'm seeing it.
What is this now? Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Halloween only happens once.
What the
A
fuck is
year,
this nigga
guys.
doing, bro?
So sit down and just relax. Okay? Take a chill pill. Damn.
Yo, look at the man's face.
Hell is this, man?
This is some freaky shit, Kristen.
You guys are taking this too far.
You guys, take a chill pill.
No, this is too much.
A chill pill.
Chill pill, you guys. It's Halloween. Embrace the moment.
Mm-hmm.
No. No. You guys hear that?
This place is.
Nigga, I don't want to hear shit.
Chill. There's nothing there.
Why do you guys always hear something?
I'm over this. This is.
Because something is always there to be heard.
What's wrong now?
Didn't you hear that?
No.
No, there's nothing. You guys just overdoing it.
What is wrong with you you guys.
I think I'm done with this. I don't know what you guys are doing here.
We're trying to have some.
Honestly, bro, let's go.
What?
Millie,
Yo, what the hell is this, bro?
what? Millie,
What is
What
going
the hell happened to
on
his
here?
face, fam?
How am I supposed to know? I just came up here.
Millie.
Malik, you okay, Malik?
Nigga, what?
Malik.
What happened to Malik?
I don't know. But I hear the doorbell. Oh my god.
Malik, what happened to the door?
Malik, what happened?
Yo, I mean, if I slapped him that hard and he didn't tell us.
The cars are gone. The cars are gone.
What?
The cars are gone.
Yeah, hell no.
You guys go. I'm gonna
Hell
stay with
no.
Malik. I'm gonna stay with Malik. Malik, what happened?
People are going missing. We're at this cabin. There's no Wi-Fi. I'm trying to record. Okay.
Honestly, that gave me goosebumps. That's wild. Oh, shit. Yup, it's time to go.
Malik is dead.
We should go.
Okay, Leo, lock all the doors. Lock all the doors. Lock it.
I said lock all the doors. Let's run.
Bro, chill. Relax. Relax. Ah, shit. Yo, lock the doors. Let's lock it.
Yeah, okay. He protecting us, alright.
Oh my God, Kristen.
Hey, Ned. Everyone's looking for you.
Kristen, why are you looking at me like that? You're Reef's girl.
I got you. It's time to die, nigga. You talking about why she looking at you like that? It's your Reef's girl. She wants you in a different way, nigga. Oh, that's how she dealt with that nigga? That is crazy. Yeah, Nev's out. That's why I said we should have stuck to my plan and just cut.
Who's there?
This is where he went wrong. He should not open this door. Oh, shit. I mean, that alone would have killed me. That would be it for me. Yeah, hell no. Yep. Alright, we got two dead niggas.
All the doors are locked. You will be okay. All the doors are locked. All the doors are locked, okay?
What the fuck?
Don't worry about them.
Oh my god. It's some ring type shit.
Your family suspects anything, right?
They have no idea.
Oh, lovely.
All the doors are locked. Everything is good.
Guys, I'm sorry. I hate that I have to do this. Baby, they have all the energy you need. Get it!
Everybody's done. I'm out. Nah, bro. We gotta go. We gotta go. She enters without opening a door. Yeah. That was it. Yeah, I know what you thinking here, cuz. A bathtub, my nigga? Why are you hiding in a bathtub? How is that gonna help you? Come on, man.
That's crazy. What the hell is that?
I mean, if I seen that before, you know, just the crawling, I would be dead. Them voices is wild. Oh my god. Does nobody survive?
hide you where she can never find you. Mom!
Man, nigga, we just seen you offer your whole family up. Now you want her to come out. Mm-hmm.
Just come out.
Yeah,
You're
right.
okay. Mom! Mom! You're good. You're okay.
Oh, shit.
She needs your energy. She needs it.
Holy, Kristen is snapping. She's eating good right now. Like, the whole family eating good. Holy shit. I mean, I'll be honest with you, man. That's a lot of energy. She could have just took one of us.
It's done.
Hope she eats your ass too. Couple of days.
For you, I'll do it all over again. I love you too.
There's two people right there. I guess this is to be continued. That was lit. That was lit. I liked it. I liked it. That was good. That was good. I ain't gonna cap, man. Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to head over to Kristen and Reefes channel. Give them a like. Show the support over there too, man. And don't forget to sub over here and turn on post notifications, man. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.